Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export HD videos in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to simply open your project. So we can do that by going to the file menu and then you can open your existing project or you can simply create a new one. And after that you will be like editing on your menu. Editing on your video or on your project. So basically you will be adding like footage, you will be adding text or whatever like you will be adding on the project. And after that you will uh, need to export your video by the end of the working on the project. So simply to export an HD video, you will need like to simply choose the HD resolution. And in my case, I'm just going to go for this aspect ratio so it doesn't get confusing. Because if we go to export and for uh, the videos or for, so as you can see, this is the custom resolution and you can find like many type of resolutions. And basically the HD resolution is always this one. And the more you want to go, the more you will get higher in resolution. So basically, I think this is the 2K resolution and this is the 4K resolution. And basically, uh, this is the full HD and you will need just to choose it. And basically, here you will choose like the frame rate that is compatible with your video. So always uh, go with w- the settings of your footage. So basically, if your videos are all HD, that means they are like in some kind of definition. So just go with your video to be with the same definition so you can see the difference. Because if your video were bad quality and for example you exported your video to be like in a better quality, there won't be some changes. But the opposite is correct. That means like if you have like higher quality or high resolution videos and then in your exporting you've downgraded it, you will see the difference. That means that your video will become more bad quality. So basically, you will need just to choose the higher quality. You choose like the full HD or the HD resolution, and then you just click on export. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.